Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to fix setting that has stopped on Poco C65 easily. Alright guys, so if the settings menu on your cell phone suddenly stop and cannot be opened, well then you don't be panic guys and don't need to be worried because here I have the solution. And so yeah, to fix this one is very easy, and without any further ado, let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, the first thing first that you have to do is now you can hold on press on the settings menu like this until appear the menu, and then you can click for app info. And so yeah, now you can click for storage guys. And after that, now you have to clear all the data of the settings menu. And the purpose of deleting all this data is so that the settings menu on your cell phone returns to the initial settings and can be used again. And after that, if you still can't open the settings menu, you can restart your cell phone. And so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to fix settings that has stopped on Poco C65, and thank you so much for watching.